One of the most common questions that I hear is, what do I do about my snack food? It's a big deal for people in the middle of the afternoon to kind of feel like they need to eat, and what am I going to eat? And so I've come up with a number of foods that you can swap out for the usual sugary or starchy or carb-filled snacks that would be an appropriate swap. There have been many decades where we've taught that animal fat is bad for us. The problem is a perfectly healthy, pure human being is made from animal fat. That's what we are. The problem is we get too many non-natural fats. And so there's a couple different directions I go with this. Number one, I frequently recommend pork skins because pork skins are a naturally occurring fat and a high protein content. So the pork rind, the pork skin, is primarily a protein. And so if you take that and use that to dip in your guacamole or your salsa, you're literally eating protein and vegetable. So when you're consuming pork skins, you're actually eating something natural as possible. The fat there is more natural than what your Fritos are fried in, which is a corn oil and not a naturally occurring oil. So this is just a simple way that's readily available, pretty inexpensive, that you can get your salty and crunchy is by eating pork skins. Now, if you don't like pork skins, that's fine. Maybe you would choose mixed nuts or peanuts. Something else that's available almost everywhere is dill pickles. They're crunchy, they're salty, they're savory, they're not expensive, and that's a great way to satisfy your kind of crunchy, savory impulse. Olives are another great example. The olives are actually a fruit. They're a very low sugar fruit, and they're very high in an especially healthy type of oil, olive oil, right? So actual olive oil is a very good oil for humans. So olives are another snack food that I recommend to people who like them and are inclined to them. Hey, thanks for watching. And if you want to know some more really cool life hacks to get some balance in your health, then watch one of the next videos on our page.